how you can get essence of water in Hytale. So all you need to do is to craft some fishing traps. Fishing trap is available in your farmer's workbench and the tier 2, which is here. So upgrade tier 1 to tier 2 and you can get your fishing trap. So I placed here many of them to speed up the process, and I'm gonna show you how you can get essence of water. So I'm gonna help myself with some commands. I'm gonna speed up this process. And now harvest the fishing trap. Press F and there is a small chance to get essence of water. As you can see, here is the first one, and keep pressing F button to harvest your fishing traps. I got the second one and you can keep continue. It took some time until you get something in your fishing trap, and from all of these fishing traps I got only 2 essence of water, so there is smaller drop chance to get it. I'm gonna do it one more time, and again you can check your fishing traps every day, and from all of these fishing traps and also restocking it, I got only 2 essence of water, so it took some time until you get some. So be patient and you will get it. If you have any questions, leave a comment in the comment section and see you next time.